first type of passive transport is diffusion, which involves movement of molecule from region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration down a concentration gradient. It is a form of passive transport. Diffusion stops when the concentration gradient is zero, that is, a state of equilibrium is achieved. This is a process of diffusion in which, if we see, there is only one molecule of dye, which is green in color, it has been shown, so it will pass across the cell membrane until the equilibrium is achieved. Whereas if we see, there are two solute molecules, one is purple in color, another is green in color, so both will pass across the cell membrane until the level of equilibrium is achieved. That means the concentration is equal on both sides of the membrane. Now coming to the importance of diffusion, it has important role in gaseous exchange during respiration and photosynthesis. Like in case of plant and animal cell, they use oxygen during aerobic respiration, and in case of plant cells, during the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plants and oxygen diffuses out. So diffusion plays an important role in the gaseous exchange in both plants and animal cells. Coming to the excretion of the waste products as well as diffuse out of the tissue in case of both plants as well as in case of animal cells. Then absorption of the digested food. Digested food diffuse into the bloodstream, and excess mineral salts and vitamins are removed from the bloodstream by the process of diffusion. Now, what are the factors which affects the rate of diffusion? Like temperature. Temperature increases the rate of diffusion. The size of the particle. The smaller the size, greater the rate of diffusion, and vice versa. Thickness of the barrier. Cell membrane in plants and animal cells are about the same size. Increased thicker cell wall decreases the rate of diffusion. It is inversely proportional to the rate of diffusion, the size thickness of the cell wall. Concentration gradient. Increased concentration gradient increases the rate of diffusion. Total surface of the cell membrane. Increase in the surface area of the cell membrane increases the rate of diffusion. It is directly proportional. Example, root hair cells, microvillus in the ileum, which is present in the small intestine. All this diffusion increases if the surface area is increasing. So these are some of the factors. You must know the factors which affects the rate of diffusion, definition of diffusion, and importance of